All right, Moose is ready to go outside. Wally, debatable. All right, out you go, big guy. Okay, Wally, you going out with your brother? Okay. So, beginning of May 2021, we're doing our garden tour. I advise you now, if you want to see a perfect planned garden that is fine in every way, this is not the video for you. I've had some injuries lately, some really bad bites that I've had really bad reactions to. So things have been crazy. And also, it's like 96 out, 97 out. Feels like 99 plus. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It just rained for like 2 seconds, and so the humidity is crazy. But I wanted to show you guys the garden because I struggled for a long time thinking that the garden has to be done. Like, there's a state of doneness. And my very smart husband was like, the garden's always a work in progress. You're always going to find something else that you want to be doing and want to be improving on and wanting to work on. And so, with that being said, I'm a little uncomfortable doing it, but I'm going to show you the current state of the garden. Not picture perfect by any means, and I hope that encourages you to either share your journey or know that you're not the only one with an imperfect yard, garden, whatever you have. So here are the boys. Wally's not very much of an outdoor dog, let alone when it's hot, and it is hot. So, excuse me. Okay, don't mind me. I'll just walk through. So we got some crazy storms last night, hail, severe thunderstorm warning. So things are a little shaken. But butterflies are still here. Yesterday we counted 4 or 5 different butterflies at the same time in the yard, so that's amazing. By the time this video gets posted, the content of another video isn't going to be out. But spoiler alert, there's a video coming on an irrigation system that I'm doing for the green stalks. I finished the first tier. It's been going really well. I've been testing it, so that is why my other green stalks are kind of like disassembled, but the video will be coming soon on how I did an irrigation system in here. But it's also part of the reason why there's like bags of dirt and plants everywhere, because things are crazy. But it's definitely like full summer mode here in Florida right now. So like, this wasn't how I left it last night, which means somebody was in here probably, or a creature. We'll figure that out later. So really, in regards to anything new right now, the only thing new is we got our cool new caviar lime, fingerly lime, whatever you want to call it, citrus tree. That's over here. He's been doing really well. Been watering him daily, or not, maybe every other day. My coyote tomato is doing good, but I am thinking about taking some trimmings for starting some fall crops. But you can see the inside is starting to die out, but they're just so good. I love them so much. This is my favorite tomato, I think. Yep, delicious. I haven't really changed the line here at all, except for I did tie this Portlandia rose up because it was not readjusting enough on its own, and I think it's a little too compacted in here, but I don't know what else to do. It's clearly still on an angle. I might have to trim it down and just let it regrow again. I'm just hesitant to do it because it's got new growth. So I know it's doing okay. So we'll see. I haven't gotten to this yet. Moose, are you foraging again? Yep, you're foraging. Hold on a second. Moose being branch manager. These tomatoes over here that we've been pulling from all year are starting to slow down a little bit. I'm hoping that what I've been doing is letting these suckers grow, and I'm hoping they'll put out some new fruit as the top part kind of dies off, but nothing remarkable there. The rest of the line's doing good. I transplanted some of that basil that I had posted on Instagram that I got from Sprouts, like super cheap, and you can actually tell the other plant that I did not transplant. Moose. Hey Moose, you want some help? Branch manager is always a branch manager. Okay, hey, hold on. There we go. Okay. There you go. Work on that. So this is the other one that needs to be transplanted. And I meant to transplant it and I didn't. And it's looking a little rough. I'm sorry, plant. Yeah, that was on me. I did replant some peppers in the open slots with some of my castings from my worms. So I'm hoping that'll give them some inspiration to grow a little bit more. Squash is doing okay. But really, it's just a work in progress. And I think I definitely am behind the 8 ball in regards to like what I should have been planting and when. I don't know how that's possible because I've been home. But you know, it is what it is. And like, you guys can't, well, here, we'll go over there really quick and see. The gardenias have been amazing, but you know, obviously with like the roses and stuff, I haven't been deadheading them as much as I should have. But like all of these were blooming in the last week or so, and they were gorgeous and they smelled so good, so good. But like I said, it's crazy hot. I will say it's been very exciting and rewarding. This is the green stalk that I put together originally with the intention of primarily focusing on food for the swallowtails, and it has paid off. I know there are some chrysalises in here. Oh, in fact, here's one here. Here's one. But there's also little babies. I don't know if you can see them. There you go, little babies on here, and there's a guy over here. There's a bunch of them on here, so I'm hoping they will continue to thrive. And I've had, unfortunately, I found this chrysalis that is definitely got that Black Death for the monarchs. And even though I've been cutting the milkweed after, they have been eating it and it's been regrowing profusely. I'm not really sure what else I can do to troubleshoot that at the moment. So any little babies that I see on here, which I haven't really seen that many, I try to relocate if I can before they get too big. But I'm going to go inside, and because it's incredibly gross out because Florida, and I will post more updates on Instagram later, but I always try to put what's blooming or my harvest for the day, because I love sharing that with you guys. But I just wanted to show you what the garden looks like right now, even though it looks like crazy, arguably looks like crap. I'm happy out here. We're working on it. Puppies are having a good time out here. And I mean, we got butterflies. I have butterflies every day in my yard, so I can't be doing that bad. So I hope this encourages you guys to keep going, persevere. And for those of you up north who are still getting snow, hang in there. Your time will come to be out in a messy garden like this.